Rosanne Mason loves to come to work.
I like the freedom. I love people.
As a FedEx courier, Mason starts his day early to sort and load his truck. Then he's on his own to make 70 or more deliveries.
Good morning, Ms. Weaver. How you doing?
Mason gets good service from his truck. That's because it's one of 3 in the Washington, D.C. FedEx fleet equipped with a diesel-electric engine. Mason started driving it 3 years ago and notices the difference in how it runs.
Typically, when I was driving a diesel, I found myself filling up at least maybe twice a week. With this truck, it's just once every other week.
About a month ago, Mason's FedEx truck was among more than a dozen hybrid trucks on display in front of the U.S. Capitol for an event called Hybrid on the Hill Day. Bill Van Amberg is Senior Vice President of CalStart, a nonprofit group that promotes clean transportation alternatives.
We think we've got a really exciting showcase to share with you today. It's really a showcase on the progress of hybrid technologies as they move forward in medium and heavy duty vehicles.
Van Amberg says about 1,000 hybrid trucks are on the road or are in production, and that growing that market could cut fuel consumption, reduce soot and carbon monoxide emissions, and boost the nation's economy with new high-tech green jobs.
We're talking about engineering, energy storage, lightweight materials, power electronics, system control software. These are green tech jobs that we need in our future.
For companies like FedEx Corporation, hybrid vehicles hold the potential for huge savings in annual fuel costs and underscore the firm's commitment to green practices.
We put it together.
John Formasano, Vice President for Global Vehicles for FedEx Express, says he would like a government subsidy to lower the purchase price for hybrid trucks.
We really would like to see both federal and state incentives to help us deploy the technology.
Subsidies would also be a boon to hybrid truck manufacturers, says CalStart's Bill Van Amberg, because he says, as with any new technology, a financial jumpstart can spark demand and get production rolling.
If we can get up to 5,000 to 10,000 units per year, we'll be at the point where the technology sustains itself for price and justifies a fleet purchasing it. It's a very doable, it's a very discrete target that we've laid out.
Take care.
As for FedEx driver Bergeron Mason, he'd like to hold on to his fuel-saving, low-emissions truck for as long as he can.
I don't plan on letting it go. You know, if they may want someone else to experience what I've experienced with it, then if it comes down to that, then I have to let it go.
So far, FedEx dispatchers haven't asked him to do that. Rosanne Skirble, VOA News, Washington.